What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Caleb's working on the brake rotor lathe and just taking him through the setup processes. We don't machine too many rotors anymore, but when they can be, I will do it. And then do the same thing on the other side so you know where you're at.
That's what I did.
And crank it all the way in. Keep going. Go past the work. Go past the rust. So we put a new set of bits on as well. So turn it just a little teeny. That's it. A little bit more. Like that. Yep. And then a little bit more. Because these weren't really that out of round, and you could tell by your starting marks. So make sure these are tight. Slide the transmission out, cross feed. These are tight. That's it. And then we let it roll. And then once it's cut, you're going to inspect it for the surfaces. Then you're going to sand it with a
Brillo pad. Scotch spray pad.
Scotch spray pad is pretty preferred. And then you're going to wash it with water and dry it, and he's ready for install. So this looks like it's going to machine the surface all the way across. So if you had like big gaps, then I
would need to do 2-3 times.
Well, you don't want to go too crazy. This machine will cut a lot of metal at once, but the micro finish will be horrible on a heavy cut.
Well, exactly. So I would need to do like a heavy cut and then another lighter cut or 3 light cuts.
If it's that warped, it should have been replaced.
Yeah.
There's no reason for you to cut. So just look, see, to cut 10 thousandths on a first cut, and then another 10. Right, that's 20 on one side of the rotor. 40 thousandths of a lot. 40 thousandths of material is a lot on a rotor. Is a lot. So this will come out perfect. You don't even hear the machine singing. Nice and quiet. Perfect.